What's up, Team Dealbot? I'm tired as hell. I was up all night. I got Alex and Cody being stupid early in the morning, man. Told Alex to take out the trash. He goes to take out the trash, and I look out here and I see that the trash cans are still up there. Trash cans are up there. So he didn't even put the trash bag in a trash can. And now Cody's yelling at him and I can't focus. Cody, that's our trash can. Why are you even up in his business? Why? Why are you even in his business? That's not even your line. That's not your scene. Get the hell out of there.